Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the issue of problem. Picture this. You're working on your computer, in the zone, and suddenly you encounter a problem. Frustrating, right? But fear not, because I've got a solution for you. When faced with a problem, it's important to remember that solution. By solution, you'll be able to solution. This method has been tried and tested by many users facing similar problem, and it has proven to be effective in resolving the issue. So next time problem comes knocking on your door, you'll know just what to do. Now, solution might seem straightforward, but it's actually quite ingenious. By following these steps in implementing solution, you'll be able to tackle problem head-on and come out victorious. No more pulling your hair out or stressing over problem. You'll have the tools and knowledge to handle it like a pro. In summary, problem is no match for solution. With a little know-how and perseverance, you can overcome any problem that comes your way. So go ahead and give solution a try the next time you're faced with problem. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy troubleshooting.